everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And so I hope you are all keeping well. In today's video I am going to be unveiling, unboxing, unrevealing or revealing even one of the luxury handbags that I had on my wish list. I did a video a little while back. I will link it down below, so if you are interested in taking a look at that, and just some of the luxury designer handbags that I had on my wish list. I have managed to pick up one of them, which I will be unveiling in today's video. So before we do crack on with the video, if I could ask, if you are someone who is interested in fashion, beauty and lifestyle kind of content, please do consider hitting the red subscribe button down below. And also, whilst you're down there, make sure you hit the thumbs up, let me know that you enjoy the video, and also make sure you hit the notification bell, ding ding, and that will let you know when I upload a new video. So with all that being said, let's get on with the video. So I am so excited. I have the bag here. I'm not sure if you can guess. If you've seen the luxury wish list video, you might have an idea of what this is, but if you haven't, I would say possibly go and check that out first, then come back and then see if you can figure out which one it was. But if not, anyway, so I managed to get this. I've had this for about probably about a month now, and it's one of the ones that obviously, like I say, is on wish list. I'm rambling now, but yeah, I wanted to just show you what it is. So I will do some close-ups for you guys to see. So I managed to pick this up on the Vestiaire Collective website. I've talked about the Vestiaire Collective website on many videos. If I am looking for anything pre-loved, designer or luxury, I do tend to go on there first to see if I can find it at a discounted price. Now this is the bag. I'm going to turn it round. So here we have it. It's the Antigona, Givenchy Antigona in the colour. It looks a little bit redder on there, but it's a little bit deeper in colour. As I say, I will try and do a cutaway so you can see it in real time. And it is in the colour Oxblood. And as you can see, it has the Vestiaire Collective sign. I've not even wore it. I've just taken out the bag. It just tells you on here, it gives you the details as to it's been checked, it's been verified. So this is the older style Antigona. I think they've changed it, so the new version it's slightly different. So here where it curves out, I think with the new one, I will see if I can find it and put up a picture so you can see. But I think with the new one, this section here is slightly different. And I think you can fold it in and out, which is something that I wasn't very keen on. So I was pretty keen to try and get the old shape, because this is the shape that I've wanted for the longest time. So I managed to get this for, I think it was £580, which is a steal, because I think they're selling currently for, and I got this information off the Net-a-Porter website, I think it's 1,690, but again, that's for the newer version. And I think I'm not sure if some of the websites are still going to be selling this shape, but oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. As I say, it's used, so it's not brand new, but as you can see, the condition it's in really good condition. It needs a little bit of a clean, which I think I will do. I think that the handle here, as you can maybe see, it's a little, you know, darkened. I think that's just from carrying. But the actual overall condition of the bag, there's no scratches, the zip's fine. It does come with even the zip's just like it's just so nice. It comes with a strap, so it comes with its own strap. I might see if I can buy, because I think nowadays you can buy additional straps, just a bit fancier. Although it's nice, it's a bit plain. So I might invest in a different strap for it. I might have a look on their website and see if they start doing things like, you know, like you've got like the Fendi where you can, it comes with its own strap, but you can get those the thicker ones with like branding on it. Not that I'm necessarily needing branding, but I'm just thinking it'd be nice to have. And this is quite short, but yeah. So it comes with came with the strap and everything. No issues with the strap. I'm assuming you. Oh, can you not? Oh, okay. It doesn't look like you can alter the length on it, if you can see. It doesn't look like you can. That's a bit disappointing. Don't make me love it any less though, but it's a little bit disappointing. I would have thought you'd be able to adjust it, but it doesn't look like you can. So anyway, so that's the strap it comes with. And then actually, luckily for me, this particular one, it came with the paperwork. So actually that would be interesting. Let's see how much they paid. So I think she bought this bag, or they bought this bag in 2016 and paid, let's see, does it have the price on it? I would assume it would have the price on here. Does it? No, it just has the information, which is strange. You would have thought it had. Maybe is it me? I can't see it. Yeah, Panya. No, just oh, that's weird. It doesn't actually have the price on here. It has a date. It has the delivery information. You know, and it's got the name on it. So it's Gia Antigona Oxblood. So it is the information for the bag, but it doesn't seem to have the price on here. What they paid at that time, but yeah, obviously as I say, it's got the paperwork, which is pretty decent, so I'll probably keep hold of that. So just in future, if I ever want to sell it on, I've got some kind of way of, I suppose, proving its authentication. But yeah, oh, and then it's come with like the information. So do not return this item if this tag is removed. So you can't return it. And she bought it from Harrods. Harrods, and it's got the card stuff here. Yeah. And I'm not sure if I said, but this is a size medium, which I think is the biggest they do. I think they do a medium, and then I think there's a mini now from this. I wanted to kind of really use this for a work bag more than anything, so I didn't want it too small. But I think it's a perfect size because it's not too big at the same time. You know, you can put your lunch in it, blah 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 blah. Oh, look at that. It's just fab, absolutely fantastic. So as I say, that is one of the first items I've managed to pick up on my luxury handbag wish list. So I'm absolutely buzzing. I'm gonna wait until possibly later on in the year and send this off to get just kind of a bit of a zhuzh up, as I say, just a bit of a clean. And then before I wear it, just obviously at the moment with the current climate, there's no point in me sending it anywhere because realistically, although I am currently working, I'm mostly working from home, so it'd be a kind of a bit of a waste of time to be sending it off now. But yeah, so that's, oh, I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. It doesn't have any feet, which I kind of don't like. I like it when it's got like metal feet. I feel like it's a bit more durable, but yes. There's not much more to say. I think I've covered everything, price-wise, size-wise, where I got it from, condition. I suppose if you do yourself have any questions on the bag at all, by all means just pop those in the comment section down below, and I'd be more than happy to respond and answer the question if I can. I'm quite new to buying luxury products. I do have some, I'd say, mid-range design handbags, but this, and I think I've got a Chanel. What else? I'd say that. Is that it? Yeah, I think this and the Chanel. Yeah, this and the Chanel, I suppose, are my top tier. I've not got anything. I've got like your Michael Kors, I've got like Lulu Guinness. I've got a couple of Lulu Guinness bags as well, and I think that, oh, and I've got a Marc Jacobs bag, which I've had for quite a long time actually. It's lasted. It's really durable. But anyway, as I say, I just wanted to come on and show you guys the new item in my collection, which is this beauty right here. And as I say, if you do have any questions, please do just pop them in the comment section down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. That is everything, guys. So again, thank you so much for watching. If you did make it to the end of the video, please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below if you are interested in videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle kind of content. That would be awesome if you would hit the subscribe button, and also make sure you hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. I do it a lot. I watch a lot of YouTube videos and I always forget to do the thumbs up, so please do try and remember to hit the thumbs up, and also make sure you hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I've uploaded a new video. And with all that being said, Take care everyone, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. See ya.